Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to check the WAEC timetable so that we can know the dates and time that we have for our exams. WAEC timetable for 2019. This is WAEC Internal Normal School WAEC. So once you get to our website www.jamwaecnecouni.com, just put it on your browser. You will be led to our website. You will see this post on the timetable, WAEC timetable 2019. You'll be able to check it. You can see that the exams are starting or has started actually on the 8th of April, Monday 2019, and it's going to go through up to the last day, which is going to be I think May 29th for the last paper. So you need to know when you're writing. Okay, this is Friday, May 17th. This is 20th. This is Tuesday, 21st May. So the last paper should be by Friday, May 31st May. So we have the exam starting from April 8th to May 31st. So you're supposed to know the dates and the time you're writing. So if you want to get to know that, please just log on to www.jamwaecnecouni.com so that you can see your view. You can actually print this out and keep it so that you can be using it. If you don't see it once you get to this website, just click on this search. You can see this search bar. Type in WAEC timetable 2019. You'll be led to this place so that you can actually download this and use it. So that is how you go about it to check for your WAEC timetable. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. This is our website, jamwaecnecouni. You can actually learn a whole lot about your exams. If you want to learn about mathematics, you can click on this link. If you want to learn about commerce, so this website www.jamwaecnecouni is a place where you can prepare for your exams. Once you click on any of this link, it's going to lead you to the actual lectures so that you can get the lectures and prepare for your WAEC and pass very well. You can see I just clicked on English and I was led to this place. So this is the English side. So once you get here, you can click on any of these lectures: oral English, vowels, consonants, or anything. Or you click here on the overview for you to see all the lectures that we have for English. Any course that you want, just click here, you get them, and that is how you go about this. And this is how you can pass and read for your WAEC. Thank you and God bless you. Please hit the subscribe button. Always visit our channel for you to learn a whole lot of things.